Hey guys, just a quick little in-between video about something that I picked up about a week before my back went out. It's an MTD mower, MTD Mastercut P40 O. It has an MTD motor, and the thing about it is it needs a new pull cord. As you can see, the pull cord is missing. That's about all I know about it. I haven't checked out anything. It's completely dry of fuel, which is a good thing, but we don't really have the same fuel issues here in Norway as you have in the States and Canada and whatnot. I'm gonna try and see if I can get the air cover off just to see how that looks. Okay, that needs cleaning. I have that ordered. And when I get this pull cord sorted, when I have the strength to do that, I'm gonna see if I can do a compression test on it. And we're gonna find out if this thing can go. Definitely needs an oil change, that's for sure. So we're gonna get the pull cord sorted. I hope it's possible to get that sorted. If not, I'm gonna have to order the parts. I have found the parts on eBay, aftermarket parts, the recoil starter, but I hope I can get it sorted on my own. I have all the parts that I need to try and get it sorted, so that's going to be fine. It takes, as you can see, 10 watt 30 oil, 10W30, and it tells you how to just stick it in, not screw it in when you check the oil. It's an OHV motor, overhead valve. So yeah, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take, because this motor or this mower has been incredibly hard to find parts for or find diagrams for, so I'm going to put down in the video description right down below, I'm going to put links to what I have found, and I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you where you can find the parts. I'm going to find links to what I can and what else I'm going to put on the cart. So it's a nice little thing. I picked it up for free. Gonna see if I can get it going and do a little touch up and here and there, and I'm gonna try and see if I can't make a little bit of profit on it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll take the time to subscribe, comment, and I hope you can follow me on social media if you like. All the links are down in the video description, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.